One of the reasons why I love Egypt is the cheap cost of their food. In here, I can buy steak in a cheapest way but tasty. So here is my take on the quickest and simplest on how to cook a ribeye steak. And this is the adventure of the small kitchen. Season your steak. Prepare cloves of garlic, rosemary, butter, salt, and pepper. Then prepare your pan. Put a little bit of butter. And once it's set, toss in your rosemary and cloves of garlic. And once it's aromatic, you can now put in your ribeye steak. And once the other side is cooked, maybe about 2 minutes, you can turn it on the other side to cook it for the rest of the remaining 2 minutes. And once cooked, for your preferred wellness, like medium done or well done, set it aside and let it rest. And on the pan, you can toss in some green peas and carrots for your side dish. And once it's ready, you can now cut your steak into strips and enjoy eating. Do you want to know what's simple but tastier? B-roll.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. For I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'm a drink at this place. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, fuck it, I'm made this way. But why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. For I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this pace. Yeah.